name is Jack Henderson. I'm 10 years old and this is my bike check. I've got red ODI long neck grips and black ODI bar ends with Mongoose Subject 2012 bars and 2 Odyssey brake levers with Odyssey gyro and brake systems. And I got Mongoose stem, and then I've got Mongoose Subject forks with Mongoose rims and Mongoose hubs front and back, and I got salt coal fog and peg on front, and I've got a Mongoose 2012 Subject frame with Mongoose cranks and a Mongoose traditional sprocket, and I got a Mongoose chain, and then I got Exposure 20x 2.0 tyres, white and tan tyres, and I've got Mongoose Subject seat and Mongoose pedals and Mongoose dust caps, Mongoose 5 dust caps, and that's my bike check.